We all love to make money online, especially me because it gives me freedom and enables me to stay away from the 9-to-5 job. In this video, I will be showing you a free website that will let you earn hundreds and thousands of dollars every single day. Stay until the end of the video so that you can learn the different ways to earn lots of money online. I'm also going to share with you some extra bonus tips and tricks in order for you to earn more money than anyone else. This method is 100% free, and you don't need any initial investment to make this work. This is available worldwide. No matter what country you are in, you're going to make a lot of money with this method. This is very beginner-friendly. You don't need any previous experience in order to do this. This is very easy to do. Watch the video until the end so that you will understand how this works and take action immediately. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. This is the website that will do the work for you so that you can earn a lot of money by just doing some minimal work. Later, I'm going to reveal to you the name of this website, so make sure that you stay until the end of the video. Pay attention to the steps that I will be showing you in this video so that you will know how to do this and make this work. The first website that we are going to utilize today is called junglescoutmarket.com. This is a freelancing website just like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com, but this website is specifically made for Amazon sellers. This website is made for Amazon selling, and the freelancers that have posted on this website are all connected in selling to Amazon. When we go on the website called SimilarWeb, this website has millions of visitors every single month. You can see here that the visitors of this website are coming from top-tier countries like the United States, the UK, and Canada. This means that junglescoutmarket.com has a lot of potential. To make money on this website, you don't need to be an Amazon seller or sell something on Amazon. You don't need to sign up to Amazon just to earn money. How amazing is that? You can see here that different people around the world that are selling some services on this website are already earning a lot of money online. They are making hundreds and hundreds of sales when you are going to take a look at them here. This person sells this one for hundreds of dollars. Imagine how much money this person earns by just doing some simple and easy work on this website. Later, I'm going to show you some services that we are going to provide on this website, in which you can earn a lot of money online by just utilizing other websites. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. You can see here the different categories that this website offers, like Amazon Business, photography, writing and translation, graphics and design, and many more. All of these categories are actually connected to Amazon. When you are going to open their graphics and design section, you can see all of these services that have been provided by different people around the world are connected to Amazon selling. Packaging design, infographics, Photoshop editing, logo design are just samples of the services that you can provide on this website. To get started earning money on this website, I want you to go on their front page and click on the sign up button over here, and it will take you to this page where you can sign up using your Facebook and Google account, or you can manually input your email address by clicking on this button over here. That's how simple and easy this is. If you're asking how much money it will cost if you're going to use this website, as you can see here, this website will cost you nothing. You can do this method and use this website for absolutely free. The best thing about this website is that they are the ones who will drive traffic for you and do the marketing for you. How amazing is that? Now that you've already applied for an application on this website, I am going to show you the services that we are going to provide on this website, in which a tool will help us and do the hard work for us. Click on the graphics design button over here and pick the logo option. Then you're going to see something like this. You can see here that different people from around the world are selling different logo design services at different price points, and most of them are getting hundreds and hundreds of reviews, which means they receive a lot of money by doing this. Since not all of the buyers are leaving a review, this person over here earns hundreds of dollars. This person over here earns hundreds of dollars also. The thing that I like about this website is that this website has low compensation, unlike Fiverr, but the demand on this website, which is very high. Surely you can earn a lot of money on this website. If you're going to watch the video until the end and take action immediately, then you're going to surely make money with this website. Don't worry, because you don't need any expensive and high-end computers just to make this work. Pay close attention because right now I'm going to show you the website that will help us in making this very easy and simple. I want you to go to this website called wix.com/logo creator. This is a tool that is free to use and you don't need to pay anything on this website in order to get access to this. The thing that you're going to do is go on here and click on this button to get started. Then you're going to land on this page where you are going to choose how you want to create your logo. You can see here that you can choose whether you're going to hire a professional to create your logo or create a logo by yourself. I want you to pick this option over here because it is absolutely free. Right now, I want you to click on this Create a Logo button over here, then you're going to create an account on this website. You can directly input your email address over here and type in your password or just directly click on here if you want to use your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple account. That person that has availed your services will give you the details about the logo and their business name, so just enter that here on this section and proceed to the next section where they're going to ask you what's your logo for. Just input the answer over here, and then they're going to ask you how your logo should look and feel. Just pick some of the choices depending on the request that your buyer wants. Right now, they're going to ask which one do you prefer. Then just select the one that you like. Then they're going to give you a pool of logos from which you can choose. You can see here many professional logos that you can utilize. For example, if I'm going to choose this one over here and use this, just directly click on that and it will load for you. You can see here that you can customize your logo. You can change the colors, add icons, add shapes, and change the background if you want to. That is pretty amazing. If you already like this one, you can just directly download this and send it to your buyer. You can now provide your service on this website and make a lot of money online. I recommend you not to put a price on your service over $90 so that many people will avail your service because it's cheap and it's very professional looking. If you can get many feedbacks from your first buyers, then you can raise your price a little higher. You can just literally make hundreds of dollars in just a few minutes and then deliver your logos to your customers very fast. This will make some buyers buy more from you. That's only the first service that you can provide on this website. Right now, I'm going to show you the second service that you can provide. This service is a little more advanced, but it will surely enable you to earn a lot of money online. Right now, I want you to click on the Amazon Business on the category section and select Product Research. Then you're going to land on this page where you can see that this type of service lets you earn a lot of money online. How can you actually do the product research if you are not a certified Amazon seller? And if you didn't sell anything on Amazon, hear me out, because I will show you another tool that will help you with this. I want you to go to this website called Sellix.com. When you come on this website, you can read it here that this website will help you with Amazon SEO and Amazon PPC. This website will help you with Amazon keywords research, and you can come on here and read more about how this website works. This website will definitely help you increase your revenue. There are different ways that you can use this website combined with Jungle Scout Market. The first one is to go on this website and then create an account by clicking on this Get Started button over here and provide the service to Jungle Scout and then earn a lot of money online. The second way to earn more money online utilizing this website is to scroll down below to the very bottom and click on the affiliate program and enter on their affiliate program. You can read it here that Sellix is a leading Amazon all-in-one software solution that helps sellers and brands on Amazon grow their business on Amazon PPC and beyond. You can refer Amazon sellers on this website, and they are going to get big returns on their investment, and you are going to earn a lot of money also. That is a win-win solution for all. In this way, you don't need to sign up on Sellix and pay anything just to earn a lot of money by providing this kind of service. They are going to benefit from this website big time, and also you. How can you actually promote this website? You can go over here and then find people that are providing those kinds of services and then open up their services and find the contact button, and then you can contact the seller and tell them that you have found an amazing tool that will help them in making their work easy and simple and enable them to earn more money. After, just directly provide your affiliate link that they can use to sign up on Sellix. They are going to like this and use Sellix over and over again, and you will earn money over and over again. That is pretty easy to do, and it will surely enable you to earn passive income and a lot of money. That's how you can earn a lot of money online with these websites. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.